Honestly, I think they did a good job with this mod. I don't think there's a service car here. No. But anyway, very strange. They modded it with TK older, but they put Aurora on. I'm sure these used to be square button. I like the old cabs though. Again, they didn't seem to mod any of the visual stuff other than the fixtures. They run well too. Excuse me. Oh, you got in?
No, I'll wait.
Aw, he doesn't want to get in the elevator with someone who was just hacking their lungs out? What gives? Anyway, oh, there's a